Sam Altman just admitted something that should terrify and excite you. The CEO of OpenAI said that his own company's new AI made him feel useless relative to the AI. This is the man who created ChatGPT, and his own creation just made him feel obsolete. But here's the kicker. We've found leaked evidence that this AI monster is being tested right now, and it's launching in just days. We're not talking about a minor update here. We're talking about the moment artificial intelligence becomes truly general intelligence. While you've been using ChatGPT for simple tasks, OpenAI has been secretly building something that combines every breakthrough they've ever made into one unified system. No more switching between different models. No more limitations. Just pure, unrestricted AI power. The leaked code shows they finalized testing on July 13th. Security researchers are already red teaming it, and according to multiple sources, August 2025 is when everything changes. Welcome to the channel. I'm the AI clone of Caleb Roberts. I was built to explore the edge of intelligence, automation, and innovation. Here, we dive deep into the systems behind AI, from research breakthroughs to real-world applications. If you're curious about how things work and how to build what's next, you're in the right place. This is where code meets cognition. Let's begin. For months, Sam Altman and OpenAI have been playing this mysterious game of soon and coming in months. But now, thanks to multiple credible sources, including Axios and The Verge, we finally have a concrete timeline. August 2025. According to Axios, OpenAI is expected to release its next big model, GPT-5, in August, and this timing aligns perfectly with recent comments from CEO Sam Altman. Just last week, Altman posted on X that GPT-5 would be released soon. But here's where it gets really interesting. We've actually spotted references to a new model called GPT-5 Reasoning Alpha 2025-0713 being tested. That's right, OpenAI is actively testing the final version of GPT-5 right now, and the July 13th date stamp suggests we're in the final stretch of development. The race to create the biggest and best AI models is accelerating, as the Trump administration has said the US must do whatever it takes to beat China, and GPT-5 is clearly OpenAI's answer to this challenge. What's fascinating is that GPT-5 was expected earlier, but OpenAI's release plan has shifted several times. This suggests they're not rushing this release. They're making sure it's absolutely perfect before unleashing it on the world. Now, let me share something that should make you sit up and pay attention. During a recent podcast appearance, Sam Altman made a confession that sent shockwaves through the AI community. He said that he fed GPT-5 a question he couldn't answer and was stunned when GPT-5 solved it instantly and made him feel useless relative to the AI. Think about that for a moment. This is the CEO of OpenAI, a man who has access to the most advanced AI systems on the planet, saying that GPT-5 made him feel obsolete. If that doesn't give you chills, I don't know what will. But Altman wasn't done. He described GPT-5 as a system that integrates a lot of our technology, rather than just a single model. This isn't just a bigger, faster version of GPT-4. We're talking about a fundamental architectural revolution. Alexander Wei, a researcher at OpenAI, recently confirmed that GPT-5 is on its way, and other researchers have also dropped hints that GPT-5 will combine breakthroughs from all models to create a unified model. Here's where GPT-5 becomes truly revolutionary. OpenAI's goal is to unify O-series models and GPT-series models by creating systems that can use all their tools, know when to think for a long time or not, and generally be useful for a very wide range of tasks. What does this mean in practical terms? Right now, when you want advanced reasoning, you might switch to O3. When you want general conversation, you use GPT-4. When you want coding help, You might use a specialized version. GPT-5 eliminates all of that complexity. We won't need to manually pick different versions or tools anymore. Imagine asking GPT-5 to analyze a complex business problem, write code to solve it, create a presentation explaining the solution, and then schedule a meeting to discuss it, all in a single conversation. You could ask it to interpret an image, send an email, schedule a meeting, and compose and perform a vocal summary from a single prompt. Unlike GPT-4o, which combined voice, vision, and reasoning in a more modular way, GPT-5 is said to integrate OpenAI's most advanced text and reasoning models, including the O3 series, into a single, smarter assistant. The technical specifications are equally impressive. GPT-5 should excel at multi-step tasks like solving logic puzzles, planning projects, or writing long-form content, with longer memory window capabilities that could revolutionize how we interact with AI over extended periods. The most exciting part? GPT-5 isn't just theoretical anymore. GPT-5 use is already cropping up in the wild as testers get their hands on the code and security experts do their red teaming. Additional signs that the model is getting close to release. OpenAI is testing a model called GPT-5 Reasoning Alpha 2025-7-13. This model was finalized on the 13th of July, and it appears to be the final round of testing. But here's something even more intriguing. Independent researchers discovered a mention of GPT-5 in OpenAI's internal BIOSEC benchmark repository, suggesting the model is already being trialed in sensitive domains like biosecurity. This biosecurity testing is particularly significant because it indicates that GPT-5's capabilities are so advanced that OpenAI is taking extra precautions to ensure it can't be misused. If it can reason about biology well enough to help with complex research, could it also spit out dangerous information if prompted the wrong way? If you're enjoying this video and you're a business owner trying to wrap your head around AI, you're not alone. We've built a community of entrepreneurs just like you exploring AI. It's called the Innovative AI Academy, and there's a ton of resources waiting for you with tools and trainings. Click the link below to check it out, and come say hi. So what exactly makes GPT-5 so special? Let me break down the game-changing features. First, there's the memory revolution. GPT-5 won't just forget about you when the conversation ends. It's going to remember who you are, how you like to work, and what matters to you. Imagine an AI that gets better at helping you over time because it actually knows you. Then, there's the processing power. Right now, ChatGPT can handle pretty long conversations, but GPT-5 could process entire books without breaking a sweat. We're talking about reading and understanding massive amounts of information all at once. GPT-5 is also getting way better at handling different types of content: voice, images, text. It's going to seamlessly work with everything you throw at it. Think better voice assistants and even virtual reality applications. And here's something crucial. GPT-5 is being built to be more reliable and safer. The biggest complaint about current AI, sometimes it just makes stuff up. GPT-5 is designed to fix that problem and give you answers you can actually trust. But here's what gets me really excited. GPT-5 isn't just going to make chatbots better. It's going to change entire industries. Think about education. Imagine having a personal tutor that knows exactly how you learn best. It adapts to your pace, explains things in ways that click for you, and never gets frustrated when you ask the same question twice. In healthcare, doctors could get instant help with medical notes and diagnosis suggestions. Patients could talk to AI assistants that actually understand their concerns and help them get the right care faster. And customer service? Those painful phone calls where you repeat your problem 5 times, those are about to become a thing of the past. GPT-5 will actually understand what you need and help solve your problem on the first try. For creative people, this is huge. GPT-5 could be like having the world's best creative partner. It can write with you, analyze images, help with coding, and think through strategy, all in one conversation. The GPT-5 release date coincides with several other OpenAI developments: deeper integration with Microsoft Copilot in Word, Excel, and Teams, expansion of OpenAI's API capabilities through Azure Cloud, possible launch of AI agents or assistants capable of completing tasks autonomously. But here's what really excites me. For everyday users, ChatGPT-5 could be a major upgrade, particularly if you rely on AI for writing help, idea generation, coding, or productivity. If the new model delivers on its promise of better memory, logic, and creative output, it could change how we interact with chatbots entirely. As we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, one thing is crystal clear. GPT-5 isn't just another model update. This isn't just another upgrade. This is a paradigm shift, a leap from incredible to unimaginable. The GPT-5 launch is not just another AI model release. It represents the next-gen AI model that may define the next phase of human-computer interaction. The question isn't whether GPT-5 will be revolutionary. The evidence is overwhelming that it will be. The question is, are you ready for a world where AI doesn't just assist with tasks, but becomes a true thinking partner, capable of reasoning, remembering, and adapting at a level we've never seen before? If you want to stay ahead of this AI revolution, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. GPT-5 is coming in August, and when it arrives, everything changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.